Hola clase. Today you're going to put together what we've been talking about with time and reflexive verbs into describing your daily routine. So I'm going to give you the instructions. This is all this video is about. I'll also include that review video that I included yesterday for yesterday's assignment, so that way you can look back at that as well. You're going to do this assignment and then there'll be a part 2 to it tomorrow, so make sure that you get this assignment done. It will not take you too long. The instructions say, complete the following chart to describe your daily morning routine. This could be really interesting because I know our routines are very different right now. You must write 2 sentences per step, one for the time and the other for the action. You must include at least 5 reflexive verbs. Make sure you are conjugating correctly. Follow the example closely. So if you look at my example here, okay, the first thing that I said was the time. I said a las 6:20 de la mañana. That's 5:40 a.m. Right? I do not get up that early right now, but during school I do. And then my action is over here. And I put me levanto, which means I get up. So again, for each time, you need to list that in the left column where it says la hora. And for each action, you're going to write it in the right column where it says la acción. All right? So you may use levantarse if you would like, but you need to include at least 5 reflexive verbs. On this next page, right here, numbers 10 through 17, these are the reflexive verbs. Again, since you're talking about yourself, you want to make sure that you are putting these in the yo form. Okay, and again, if you don't remember what that means, make sure you look back at that video or look back at your notes on how to put these into the yo form. So again, if we look back at the other page, you will need 5 times and then 5 actions all in the yo form. Okay, there should not be any other form. And again, you are only using these verbs right here, so I shouldn't see anything else. If you have a question, you can always email me. I'll also do a live Zoom time at 2 o'clock today, and I can help you then as well. Have a great day.